Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss the sample multiple choice questions that you can expect in the PL300 exam. So we'll just go through a sample example. Let's start. So as discussed, multiple choice questions. So multiple choice questions would be a questions and then you'll have multiple options. For example, in this case, the question is you are a new data analyst at a company where Power BI is a tool of choice. Let's say the company has 6 departments and you've created a report that shows staff data from organizational data, and you've been asked to create the same report for each department. What are the two possible ways to achieve this goal? Each answer is a complete solution. So it could be that you have one answer or multiple answers. And so in this case, adding parameters to the report and creating a URL for each department would be the right answers. So if you select those, that's probably the winning answer. This is just an example of the multiple choice questions that you can expect to face with PL300 exam. I will give you other examples of the type of questions that you can encounter with the PL300 exam in the later videos. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.